welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. So this is another weekly plan with me for the Happy Planner, but of course, as always, you can work with whatever planner you have. So grab your planner out, grab your stickers, and go ahead and plan with me. So the theme that I'm going to be working with this week, as you can see, are trolls. I just thought that these were so adorable. They reminded me of when I was a kid. So yeah, I thought it would be really fun to do a troll theme. And as most weeks, all of the items that I'm using, I printed off of the internet. I did get a lot of these off of Pinterest, and some of them were from Google Images. Just type things like, free troll images, stuff like that. I do have a tutorial if you want to see more information on how exactly I plan my weekly planner. Stickers and stuff like that. I'll link that at the end. But here are the pictures that I grabbed off of the internet. This I just put together in Notepad. Again, that's in my tutorial. But here's all the cool little fun pictures I grabbed. And then some numbers. And then of course my washi. I'm not using all this washi, but I'll show you what I am using. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the pictures that I'm going to work with. And then for my washi, I have a lot of really fun colors. So start off with these super small ones. I just bought these from Michael's, and I know Michael's can be kind of costly sometimes, but they had a huge package, so I didn't just get these 3. I got like 8 or 10. Can't remember. I got like every color, and instead of $8, I got them for $2.99 in their clearance section. So these were the 3 colors I thought worked really well with troll theme. And then I also have these ones here. I don't know exactly what I'm going to use yet, but I grabbed these ones from my stash as well. I'm thinking soon I'm going to do a washi haul and just kind of show you guys all of my washi and where I get it from, because you can get some really good deals out there. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for the washi. And actually that's it for in terms of what I'm going to be working with today. Sorry, my camera keeps zooming out and getting blurry. There we go. All right guys, so get your stickers, get your planner, get your favorite drink. I have my ice cap. Mentioned that in a few videos past, how I am addicted to those. And let's get started. so here is the final layout. I love how it turned out. I just love things that are super colorful, and that's what I love the most about this layout, is just how colorful it is. Lots of space to write my to-do lists, notes, and lots of blank spaces to write just what I need to do on my day-to-day. I've never had questions about it, but if you're wondering why I don't write things during the video, it's because I do pre-record my videos pretty far in advance, because I just want to make sure that I always have content for those of you who enjoy watching my planner videos, and they do take a lot of time. So yeah, I just want to make sure I have the content, so I do tend to record these pretty far in advance, which is why I don't have anything written. But that is this week's layout. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a comment below if there's a specific theme that you would like to see. I'm more than happy to accommodate. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Love and peace to you all.